Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I want to do a shovel or scoop pour, and things I could usually use are a pan that I've used quite a few times before, an iPod case, kitchen scoops, scoops I made out of packaging, shovels from the dollar store from the bucket, beach bucket, and packaging, cut down packaging. I'm not sure what I'm going to use, but I'm going to start. Instead of using a single container and putting all my colors in there, I'm going to put a bunch of colors I can scoop out all together in one place, I think. And that way I can do what I did the other day. Oh cool, I like it when they're open. If I want to add something else, I will. Let's do that. I've got some light blue around here somewhere. I've also got some Anita's Bahama blue. I'd like to find that other blue right now, though. Oh, this one's almost empty too. I am quickly running out of paint, which reminds me, I have an Amazon link underneath show more, underneath the link tree, right under the video. So if you guys are interested in helping support this studio, feel free to use it. It's at no added cost to you. That's perfect. I'm just going to mosey along, putting colors that are similar. One right next to the next one, hoping that they'll stay open. Happy that I'm not in my indoor area where that could be a problem. Similar color families, not the same. I think that needs a little pressure. We'll take what we can get. Doesn't need much. Alright, so I'm going to go be a little bit out there with my yellows. I've got some, this is a color shifting, it's a purple flash from Folk Art I love, and it could go everywhere. It doesn't matter. I think I'm going to go ahead and give myself permission, to put that in there. Be nice if it were open. That's a neon pink from Artist Loft that I usually use a large bottle of to thin down or extend out the golden product that's magenta quinacridone. And they haven't had it. They've been out for quite a while now. I'm not sure I meant to put that in that exact one. I have got some other orange colors. I've got a color shifting orange, and I think it's going to go in here. I'm going to get some of these out of the way, hopefully. Do I want a little bit more of that? Maybe I do. So it's about to be the here goes nothing moment, and I realize I don't have any gold in anything, and I don't have any black in anything, and I don't have any white in anything. And I want these colors to all be handy. But I want that white, and I want that gold. Where's the gold going to go? I think the gold can go in here. That is not my 24 karat gold. My 24 karat gold is over here. Let's see the difference between it. Not much difference. I'll tell you what, they both dry really shiny. The other one is a Folk Art. Doesn't want to come out again. Still, let's grab a different one. Making up the colors is really the most important part. Alright, so I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I don't know if I mentioned that. That's copper. or a modern master's color. Let's grab that canvas. And what tool am I going to use? I'm going to start with a little tool. I'd like to be able to spin my turntable around. The shorter the depth of the tool, the more likely I am to get my paint out. And if I tip it down and slide it along the canvas, paint will often lead paint. So I'm going to just go ahead pollen. Not my friend. Now I really wanted to cover up a little piece of schmutz on that corner, so my original intention was just to fill this up with colors. And patterns. I'm not trying to make any particular sense of it yet. Got to tip it down sometimes to get the paint to come out. I may just continue right across the canvas with that. And I like how that looks. Reminds me of a phoenix tail. I don't have to let the paint relax. I can just tap the card and use just the line. I may not get it every time. I was thinking about stamping stuff. And as you let it relax, you'll get more paint down there. Alright, so what I see is that I want a little yellow or orange. Yeah, I want a little orange in there. And since I can do that right now before it takes any more time, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of my other paint on the painty dull end of a skewer and use it. And that just makes me want to use that paint, and I think I'm going to use a shovel. Crossing my fingers without tipping over my paint, please. If you drag it and it leaves spaces, it's really not a bad thing. It leaves some really great negative shapes and organic things. I'm going to let that shovel release its paint right down over the side. I'm also going to go back and dip it in and finish off my stroke. And then I can still some other strange things. I'm going to have a lot of paint left, I can tell, but I'm having a really good time. So I wanted to show you guys, I can take a spatula and drip all the way across my canvas. Oh well. don't do that. I don't recommend it. But I do like to dot things, so it's not the end of the world. If I happen to get some splashes, I'll just take advantage of the fact that they're there. And add a few friends. There's no limit to what you can do. And by having different pans of color, you can change up what you've got pretty easily. Not sure about those. So I just make them into something I like more. I really want a much smaller card. Fortunately, I've got all kinds of things hanging around my studio, so that's not going to be a bad thing. I think it might be time to grab some other colors. Sometimes you have to move pretty slow to relax the shovel to get all the colors out of there that you want. So far I'm still having a good time. I'm going to throw my spatula and get a couple of these things out of the way. I've got some beautiful colors in my shovel, and I kind of want to help them decide to leap out. I think I'm going to try the little scoop. Some of these fiery colors. Because I can, and because it's fun. Now I want some greens, and I need another little scoop, and somewhere I have, I hope I can use, I don't mind if the shapes are a little odd. occurs to me that I have this really cute little tool around here somewhere, which is a straw, but it has a star shape on it. So I'm definitely in contemplation of dipping that in and putting that down a couple of places. Because I can. That might be getting pretty close to being done. I think I'm going to wipe that off. Grab something else. Because I can also. Now it might be time for ribbon dribbling. I love ribbon dribbling. And I've got absolutely fantastic colors. Really want some white metallic in there. But I don't think I can leave it in there without attempting. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. My email address is below the video in the link tree, along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Teespring clothing with all over print leggings and t-shirts and other stuff. Fine Art America, Pixels.com, also of which you can find via the Shop Now button that belongs to its Facebook counterparts, which is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and more. And if you're on Facebook and you want to see what I've done with the editing for the wet and dry artworks for YouTube videos so far, look for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors. I need a little something something right here. Whoop, and to get rid of that big lump. I don't think that is going to come out, so we're just going to fake it. So that's fun. It's colorful. I love it. I recommend just keep on putting your colors down and filling in as you go. And when you feel like you're done, you're done. So I love you guys. There's 86,600 and I don't know right now. Kind of like overlaying things a little bit. Definitely like dotting things out. I did say originally, maybe I didn't say, but I meant to say, I was planning on just filling things in. And I love my dots. And I love you guys. So please share my videos. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I really appreciate that. Your comments are fantastic. They make me happy every day I hear them. If you're looking to help support the studio, you can do so by watching longer, giving me a thumbs up, leaving me a comment, or entering the monthly drawing, which you can find the prizes for on the end screen of any video on the exhibition video, and it will share those with you there. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles in the paint. I'm going to tell you you can also find playlists with 1,360 plus videos. I want I want to do something with this while I still can. This is just a bamboo skewer with some duct tape with a little piece of acetate on either end. Big one, little one. I love you guys. I hope you come again. Check the community board for tomorrow's video on YouTube. On my channel you can find PayPal and Patreon links, and also underneath the link tree, should you happen to be searching for them, to get in the monthly drawing. It's not maybe my best, it's not my worst, and I definitely think it's kind of cool, and I'm going to go prime another black canvas. I will see you guys in